This is another roof type in which all the slopes are turned on, and there is another roof for the porch area as well. Go to edit type and then we will pick level 2, give an offset of 1 feet, and we will create the profile. So make sure uh, the defined slopes are on all the sides. If we compare the shape, we get exactly the same shape as the model. Now on this side there is a slightly small roof, and we can create that in two ways, either by roof by extrusion, or we can also choose the roof by footprint. So let's say we are going to select the roof by footprint. We'll choose the pick line option and give an overhang of 1 feet. Now if we go to level 1, this will be our profile. We have to make sure that the two side slopes are off. Now when we go to the side elevation, the roof profile will look like this. First of all, we have to reduce this overall building slope to 7, and now for this we have to make it around 2 by 12. Let's see how it looks. We will move this profile to a bit down, or maybe slightly more. Now if we can see from the elevation, these columns are not properly attached to the roof. So we'll select the column attached to top base, and we will select the top of the roof. Now again, if we look at the side elevation, then we will see a small gap. Why is this? Because the minimum intersection means that it will just attach when it intersects the roof. But in this case, we need maximum intersection so that the overall column will be attached to the roof. So we'll check on the maximum intersection, and now the roof is connected.